month, noong September 14, we have turned over the operations and maintenance of Manila International Airport to San Miguel Corporation. No? They have started implementing some reforms. Hindi pa natin nakikita yung malaking epekto, pero siguro in the next few months, next year, makikita na natin yung improvements na gagawin ng San Miguel Group, no? And ang susunod naman dito ay yung privatization ng iba pang mga airports, no? Yung modernization hindi lang ng PAL, no, but ng Philippine carriers, no? Kailangan natin 'yan, no? Kasi with modernization, masisigurado natin na mas safe yung mga flights natin, no? Magiging convenient yung experience ng ating mga passengers, no?